How to report a bug for the new Awaken180 app. First, navigate to the home page in your app. Tap on your name initial located in the upper left corner. Once you are on the settings page, tap on the Report Bug button. You may need to scroll down to find it. You will be redirected to Typeform. Follow the instructions on the succeeding pages until you successfully submit it. Tap on the Start button located at the bottom of the page. You will be redirected to the page where you can type the bug you found about the new Awaken180 app. Then tap the OK button. You will be encouraged to send a screenshot of the bug you found. Then tap the OK button. After uploading the screenshot, tap the Submit button located at the bottom of the page. A confirmation message will appear after you complete the error reporting form. If you have questions and inquiry about this topic, contact us at 413-307-3758 or email us at support@awaken180weightloss.com. Thank you.